We start by removing the filters from your mini split unit. Then we remove all the screws that are holding the unit's outer cover in place. Next, we remove all the exterior components of the unit. Here we attach a bib to the unit, to ensure all the grime and water is contained. Now that the exterior prep is complete, we can start spraying down the inside of the unit. Check out all the dirt and grime that was inside that mini split unit. Once the interior is clean, we set your mini split to fan mode to dry out the unit. We also take all the exterior pieces outside and give them a thorough cleaning. Now it's time to remove the bib and put the unit back together. Finally, we'll reinsert the clean filters. And our work here is done. By having your mini split heat pump professionally cleaned regularly, you will enjoy benefits such as improved energy efficiency, better indoor air quality, longer equipment lifespan, optimal heating and cooling performance, quiet operation, and peace of mind. Contact Coastal Energy today to book your SpeediCLEAN service.